But let me go back to expanding, okay? Because expanding means multiplying everything on the inside by the outside. And there's actually a little trick that you may have learned before to do that. That trick is called FOIL, yeah. What does that stand for again? Good. First, outside, inside, lost. First, outside, inside, lost. What this is not a new concept, okay? What this is an acronym, or like a mnemonic, to help us remember how to multiply everything on the inside by the outside. You know that that's what expanding means, but this is how we can actually go about doing that. Let me show you with this first example, okay? If I want to multiply the first two terms, I'll draw an arrow like that, okay? So I'm multiplying the first terms. That's x times x, which is x squared. So that's done. And then I want to do the outside terms, okay? Well, x times 4, that would just be 4x. And note it's a positive, that's why I'm adding them together. So x times 4 is just positive 4x. That's done. Inside, that would be plus 5x. And lucky last, 5 times 4 plus 20. Now here's the important part. When we're expanding, another implication is that we need to simplify as well. And what does simplify mean again in this case? Collect like terms. I can see there's two like terms there. X squared plus 9x plus 20. That's it. It doesn't matter what binomial expansion you have. You can always use this method here to do that. Okay. Any questions about this first one? Last. So the last terms. So 5 times 4 is 20. Okay. Yeah. Question. Yeah. Because yeah, it is. But remember, shh, 1 sec here, 10. Rips asked a good question. Why is this plus not times? Okay. This expansion method here helps us understand why that is. Okay. We multiply these two terms together, I get x squared. We multiply the outside terms, 4 times x. That's actually a positive 4x. It's plus 4x, right? These are the terms that you're creating when you're expanding them. Okay. This next one right here, we can always use the same idea. Just because there's a 2 at the front doesn't mean we need to do anything differently. We can still do that expansion on the inside, right? All I need to do though is I do this expansion first. And I'm going to use that first, outside, inside, last method again, right? First, outside. So now be careful here. X times minus 2, that's just minus 2x. Inside. And then last. Minus 4 times minus 2. Be careful with that one. That's going to be positive 8. That 2 there, just remember, that 2 means I'm multiplying this whole expression here. That 2 means I'm multiplying the whole expression. Before I do that though, I'm just going to simplify these like terms here. Minus 2x minus 4x. What's that going to be? Minus 6x, good. Plus 8. And then last but not least, if there's a 2 out this whole thing, remember, expanding just means multiplying everything on the inside by the outside. Even though it looks slightly different, we can always use the same idea. I'm multiplying 2 by everything here, okay? So I'm just going to be left with 2x squared minus 12x plus 16. Easy peasy. Any questions there? Okay, how do we go with this third one? Who can help me out with it?
6x squared.
Okay, so tell me what you're doing first.
Do I have to, okay.
Yeah.
That one.
First, yeah.
Yep, that
So
one.
I saw a lot of people had 6x there. Just be careful, right? 3 times 2, that's 6. But remember, x times x, you've got x squared there because you're multiplying these two together. All right, keep going for me.
And then it'll be minus 15x.
Yep, so outside is 3x times minus 5 minus 15x.
And then minus 2x.
Yep, because negative 1 times 2x, that's pretty straightforward.
And then plus 5.
Yep, because you get negative 1 times negative 5, that's the last, plus 5 there. So, again with negatives, just be really careful. You'll have negative 15 minus 2, that should be negative 17x plus 5 there. Okay. Make sure you check that one.